माफ कीजिए, दूध कहाँ है?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
चावल किस लाइन में है?
Which aisle is the rice in?
Which aisle is the rice in?
क्या आपके पास सब्जियां हैं?
Do you have vegetables?
Do you have vegetables?
दही कहाँ मिलेगी?
Where can I find yogurt?
Where can I find yogurt?
ब्रेड कहाँ है?
Where is the bread?
Where is the bread?
क्या आपके पास नारियल है?
Do you have coconut?
Do you have coconut?
क्या आप दिखा सकते हैं ये कहाँ है?
Can you show me where this is?
Can you show me where this is?
फल कहाँ है?
Where are the fruits?
Where are the fruits?
मुझे एक टोकरी चाहिए.
I need a basket.
I need a basket.
ट्रॉली कहाँ मिलेगी?
Where can I get a trolley?
Where can I get a trolley?
मुझे 1 किलो प्याज चाहिए.
I want 1 kilo of onions.
I want 1 kilo of onions.
मुझे आधा किलो टमाटर दीजिए.
Give me half a kilo of tomatoes.
Give me half a kilo of tomatoes.
मुझे 1 दर्जन अंडे चाहिए.
I need a dozen eggs.
I need a dozen eggs.
क्या थोड़ा और मिल सकता है?
Can I get a little more?
Can I get a little more?
यह काफी है.
This is enough.
This is enough.
मुझे दूध के 2 पैकेट चाहिए.
I need 2 packets of milk.
I need 2 packets of milk.
क्या इससे छोटा कुछ है?
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
क्या कोई बड़ा थैला है?
Is there a bigger bag?
Is there a bigger bag?
मुझे आधा लीटर तेल चाहिए.
I want half a liter of oil.
I want half a liter of oil.
इसका वजन कितना है?
How much does this weigh?
How much does this weigh?
क्या यह ताजा है?
Is this fresh?
Is this fresh?
यह कब आया?
When did this arrive?
When did this arrive?
यह जराब है.
This is spoiled.
This is spoiled.
क्या कुछ और है?
Is there anything else?
Is there anything else?
यह बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
This looks very good.
This looks very good.
इसकी एक्सपायरी डेट क्या है?
When is the expiry date?
When is the expiry date?
क्या यह पका हुआ है?
Is this ripe?
Is this ripe?
मुझे अच्छी क्वालिटी चाहिए.
I want good quality.
I want good quality.
क्या यह लोकल है?
Is this local produce?
Is this local produce?
क्या यह ऑर्गेनिक है?
Is this organic?
Is this organic?
यह कितने का है?
How much is this?
How much is this?
इसकी कीमत क्या है?
What is the price of this?
What is the price of this?
क्या यह सेल पर है?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
क्या कोई डिस्काउंट है?
Is there any discount?
Is there any discount?
यह बहुत महंगा है।
This is too expensive.
This is too expensive.
क्या कुछ सस्ता है?
Is there anything cheaper?
Is there anything cheaper?
प्रति किलो क्या भाव है?
What is the price per kilo?
What is the price per kilo?
क्या एक के साथ एक फ्री है?
Is it buy one get one free?
Is it buy one get one free?
प्राइस टैग कहाँ है?
Where is the price tag?
Where is the price tag?
क्या यह डिस्काउंट वाली कीमत है?
Is this the discounted price?
Is this the discounted price?
बिलिंग काउंटर कहाँ है?
Where is the billing counter?
Where is the billing counter?
क्या मैं कार्ड से पैसे दे सकता हूँ?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
क्या मैं जीपे इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I use GPay?
Can I use GPay?
मेरे पास छुट्टे नहीं है।
I don't have change.
I don't have change.
छुट्टे आप रख लीजिए।
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
क्या मुझे थैला मिल सकता है?
Can I get a bag?
Can I get a bag?
कृपया रसीद दीजिए।
Please give me the receipt.
Please give me the receipt.
मेरे पास अपना थैला है।
I have my own bag.
I have my own bag.
कृपया इसे पैक कर दीजिए।
Please pack this.
Please pack this.
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.